Welcome to Express Video Learning, presented by Cost Plus Electric Supply. I'm Eric, and we're here to show you. In this video, we're discussing LED motion-controlled utility lights. Most of you know them as closet lights. Why closet lights? Because you never want to be searching around for the switch or the switch out the door. But what's the worst part? They almost always get left on. With built-in occupancy control, these LED utility lights are the perfect installation for not only closets, but crawl spaces, laundry rooms, garages, utility sheds, making them a very simple and cost-effective installation choice for your lighting. Let's get to it. Our keyless and pull chain replacement option is by NDR Lighting. This LED fixture makes installation a breeze. We have 3.0 and 4.0 mounting holes, the built-in occupancy sensor, and a really simple lens to get it on and off. Just line it up, twist it back on. The nice part about this particular fixture is everything is set already. This has a 5-minute timeout, so which means as long as it doesn't detect motion in 5 minutes, it will automatically shut off. But if it does detect motion, it will go ahead and reset that clock. A 650 lumen package. Now for comparison, that's about what you would get out of a normal 65 watt R30 lamp. It has a nice 4000K color temperature for nice utility lighting applications. This larger format utility light by Elite Lighting has all the same great features and benefits of the smaller keyless NDR lighting that we're looking for. A flip-off cover, convenient key mounting holes, the sensor is built in, but the best part is it carries a 900 lumen package, which is going to give you more light output for bigger spaces. Plus, the larger fixture size helps spread the light even more, so it's not as concentrated. This is truly more of a utility style that you would see in a closet, a pantry, or garages. The timing sensor is the same. Once it notices motion, it'll time for 30 seconds, and once 30 seconds has passed without motion, it'll shut off. This one is a warmer color of 3000 Kelvin, which is a little bit more pleasant for spaces that are inside homes. The key word is utility. Utility fixtures don't have a lot of frills. They have an install it and walk away mentality. No timing, no sensitivity adjustments, and no, these fixtures are not dimmable. Utility lights are designed to give you a good lumen output at a very competitive price. We hope you take the time to watch other Express Video Learning content online. Have a great day.